Hello. Have you ever heard about Tron Blockchain? Tron was founded by Justin Sun and launched in May 2018 on Mainnet. The Tron codebase was originally forked from Ethereum and it uses a fork of the Solidity language, which is a programming language for developing a smart contract on Ethereum Blockchain. As a result, Ethereum token standards and smart contracts are compatible with the Tron ecosystem. Tron is a blockchain platform that has been developed to support high throughput and smart contracts. It allows developers to build and deploy their own daps, decentralized applications. Tron, being one of the most surging crypts, it has very good potential to grow in the market. Tron ranked 56th a few months back, but now it has secured the 13th position according to CoinMarketCap. As Tron is being emerged from Ethereum, there are good possibilities for it to reach 40 United States cents in the coming 5 to 8 months. Follow us on Facebook to get to know more about the Tron Smart contract and the exciting financial opportunities provided by Tron.